Facebook dating option not showing. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook dating option not showing easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then go to apps right here, go to Facebook app like this and then click here on this force stop option and then go down to the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled and then go back, click here on data usage and do the same thing, all the permissions should be enabled. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, clear data and then go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Facebook and click on update right here to update your Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you so much for watching the video until the end. See you